Okay, we talk about this all the time, fading extreme moves or low risk setups. You hear us talking, it's probably the title of many of our videos. Wanted to share a few with you today. This is exactly how we're trading this market. I'm not doing a lot of, you don't even see moving averages on there. I always have the S&P up on a different chart, so I do monitor the market and I try to make my trades coincide with the market. But you don't see a lot of moving averages and stuff. We're getting pretty good at fading extreme moves and finding the low risk setups that working on a consistent basis. And we did a good job today catching the lows of the day in some stocks long and the highs of the day in some stocks short. And I'll show you a few from today. Tiffany's is one of them. We had, excuse me, we had this on watch as it was selling off here. Look at this nice, narrow, tight, low risk candle there. We called it long right here as it broke above this candle, which put our stop right down here below this candle. I'll give you the numbers. Tiffany's just an amazing trade. 40.45 was the entry. Went all the way to 41.16. That's 71-cent move from our entry all the way up to the high there. 71-cent move. The stop was 9 cents below. Never got hit. Anytime you can get a 71-cent move in your favor on 9 cents risk, you're doing a pretty good job at catching the extremes. Another one today. Try that again. Coach had another scenario here that met all of the parameters. Again, there's certain things we look for, and when we find them, that's when we'll call out the trade. Coach 39.35 right here. Right there was the entry. Worst case stop right here. So we had a 39.35 entry. Worst case stop 8 cents below. Stop never gets hit, and it went to 39.87. 52-cent move ultimately from here to here. 52 cents on 8 cents risk. Try that again. And BBT was another long we called. Called BBT right here. Worst case stop right here. Give you the numbers. 28.05 entry. Went all the way to 28 from the entry here. Went all the way to 28.77. 72-cent move in our favor. Stop was a dime below. Never got hit. And then a short from today. Let me get that drawing tool off. A short from today. APOL. Certainly met our parameters of an extreme move. A nice narrow range to short. We called this short here at 47.49 right there. Worst case stop. That's supposed to be an arrow. High of the day at 17 cents above that. So 47.49, 17 cents per share at risk, and it fell to 45.90. So it dropped $1.59 in our favor here on 17 cents risk. So we literally caught the top here on APOL. I don't know why it does that. Caught the bottom of the day here on Coach. Caught the bottom of the day here on Tiffany's. And caught the lows of the day on BBT as well. And I know there were some others too. I think Mattel, we shorted the top of the day up here. We caught the very top there. So, and the beauty of these extreme moves also is usually you get a little volume at the time of the turn. So you're not getting whipped out of stuff. But any kind of these intraday trades where things are meandering and bouncing around, really being disciplined and teaching our members to be disciplined and leave the, this choppy stuff alone. And we're just focusing on extreme moves. I'll tell you what, it only takes 2 or 3 of these a week to really give you a nice income. But when you're catching 3 or 4 extremes in a day, today, was just fantastic. So I can't think of a better way to trade this market right now. It's low volume summer trading, a lot of choppy stuff. But when we're sitting there being patient, waiting for these extremes, tight stops, nice moves in our favor, pretty good trading. So, all right, we'll follow up later. Have a good night.